Can cardboard support a human on open water, sealing every seam to battle its porous nature? One off calculation, and this hull disintegrates. Most people think material density determines if something sinks. Volume and air displacement are the real masters. Buoyancy must keep us afloat before saturation takes over. We have one chance to prove our math is right. Creeping saturation will turn this boat into mush. Will the weight be too much for this experiment? Cardboard is a thirsty material. We must displace cubic liters of air to float. Origami techniques minimize the number of cut seams. Internal structural ribbing prevents the hull from buckling. Defeating porosity is our biggest challenge. Heat sealing creates a hydrophobic barrier. Now for the dry land stress test. Lower the vessel and test the math. The hull pushes back to create buoyancy. Navigating open water tests the cardboard's rigidness. Will it hold up over time? Post-voyage, we analyze the water weight gained. Can physics truly overcome natural limitations? We're navigating open water to test the hull's rigidity. Constant movement and wave energy will battle our design. We must monitor if saturation takes over. Archimedes' principle is the key here. To float, this hull must displace cubic liters of air. The air weight must equal the pilot's weight. Displacement math holds up.
Thank you for watching and learning. For such fun learning, you know where to go. See you in our next video. Until then, have fun learning.